All right, so. Let's see, we're on. All right, we were just on number 7, and I do want your unit circle out for this. We did problems like this before, but in the past I said just worry about quadrant 1. In these problems, I want you to use all quadrants. So for this very last problem, we're gonna look in all quadrants and we're gonna look in the entire unit circle. So like the whole unit circle is fair game right now. Okay. What is going on here is I gave you the ratio and you have to give me the angle. So we have to ask ourselves, is this an X or Y or Y divided by X kind of deal? And then what angle has that? So for cosine refers to which variable again? X. X, good. So we're looking for all of the angles that have an X that's -1/2. So I'm looking over my entire unit circle where X is -1/2. The little hint is you can use all students take calculus. Cosine is going to be negative in quadrants 2 and 3. I think we just talked about that on the last problem. Cosine is negative in quadrants 2 and 3. So I'm going to quadrants 2 and 3 and looking for a -1/2 for my X. Does anyone see it? What angle? 120. Good. I'm going to write both 120 and 2 pi over 3. And then what's the, we'll say and. What's the other angle that also has cosine of -1/2? Good, 240. Which is going to be 4 pi over 3. Cool. All right, let's jump to letter B. Same idea. This time it says sine of theta equals 3 pi over 2, or sorry, root 3 over 2. Sine is which variable again? Y. So we want to find anywhere that my y is positive root 3 over 2. What quadrants am I looking in? 1 and 2. And you don't really have to recognize the quadrants. I just find that helpful, so it kind of narrows my search. So I'm looking for a positive y. Where do we find it? 60 degrees. Or pi over 3. Where's the other time that it's good, 120 again. Good. So 120 was our answer twice, and that's okay. So again, we're going backwards this time. Are you guys okay with that? Yes. Okay. Last two, tangent of theta equals 1. Okay, does anyone have an idea on what we're guessing, Maggie? You thinking of something? They have to be the same number. So I want whatever my y over x to be the same number. Which angle has the same number for both the x and y? 45, good. So we want 45 degrees essentially. It says it's +1. So 45 is in quadrant 1 where my tangent is positive. So 45 and pi over 4. What other quadrant should I look for the 45-degree angle? 3, right? Down here where they're both negative. So that's going to be 225 and 5 pi over 4. All right, cool. Last one, there's actually only one answer. It says sine of theta is 1. There's only one place on this graph where sine is, wait, which variable is sine? Y, where y is 1. 90 degrees, good. 90 degrees, and we'll write our radians because it asks for both, pi over 2. Cool. That's it. Okay, so I have a few minutes left in class. You can work on homework, but 4.3, and I do think I put it on Schoology. That is due next time I see you.